Right now, the defense sentiment score sits at minus 0.15, with a momentum of plus 0.52. This is particularly noteworthy given the recent historical baseline. Typically, we see sentiment in this sector hover around neutral, with occasional dips. However, this negative sentiment is coupled with a rising momentum, indicating a shift that could signal increasing volatility or emerging opportunities. Our Defense Sentiment API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, giving you a multidimensional view of market sentiment. One practical use case: you can integrate this API to inform your trading algorithms, adjusting strategies based on the abrupt sentiment shifts to capitalize on potential price movements. For complete details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get started with real-time data that matters.